So I want to show this issue with the bowing of the blade again in this video, and also when I printed this plastic sham and I use it, actually the issue goes away. So it seems that the problem is with the flange, actually, that's holding the blade to the arbor, or the design, specifically the design of the flange that doesn't have a flat part here. It's kind of curved, and I don't understand why it's not flat like this slotted washer that is, okay, I'll show it more specifically here, that is attached to the arbor. Anyway, so here's the blade. And I put the flange that came with the saw, and again, this is a brand new saw. There's no dust, nothing, no paint that is in the way. And I tighten the blade, and I'm using just my hand to hold the blade, you know, so I cannot be accused of over tightening the blade. Okay, put the ruler here, hold it in the center so that I don't push on the side of the blade. Make sure it's between the teeth over here, and look at that bow. So it's almost like a 0.5 millimeter gap right at the end. Okay, and now I'm going to put that plastic sham on that actually I designed to have the flat part. So it's got, this part is flat, just like that piece that sits on the other side. So I sandwich it between the blade and the flange. Okay, tighten it using about the same amount of force. Let's check what happens. It's perfectly flat. There is no bowing now. So it just appears that DeWalt, or their design of the flange, is just wrong. Which, again, you know, given the popularity of the saw, it's kind of amazing.